Looking to make your backyard awesome? Did you ever wonder what it'd be like to turn your backyard into a vacation, your own destination? So how about that sparkling, shiny swimming pool? Well, here are 3 tips to getting the backyard and swimming pool of your dreams. Tip number 1, determine how much space you have to use. This will help you decide what size and what shape of pool is right for you. Tip number 2, find out your neighborhood and community rules. What kind of permits would you need? And what kind of permission would you need? And most importantly, tip number 3, talk to a pool construction expert now, someone who can navigate you through all your options. Because whether it's a new pool, upgrading your existing pool with new filtration systems, heaters, waterfall, water slides, and more, from Gunite to fiberglass, chlorine to saltwater to ozone, and everything in between, we are here to help you. We'll help you turn your backyard into a vacation destination. Contact us today for a free quote. Swimming pool experts are here to help you now. We'll make it easy, so what you waiting for? Get in touch right now.